When I started, I thought LinkedIn was just a professional Facebook. You post your achievements, you get few likes, and maybe someone hires you. Crazy. But I was wrong. LinkedIn is a place where attention equals opportunity, but only if you understand how to use it right. So in this video, I will be breaking down everything I wish I knew before I started, so you don't make the same mistake I did. Let's dive in. 1. It's not about you, it's about them. I see many people make this mistake. They make the platform or they make every post about them. So when I started, my posts were all about me. I did this, I achieved that, I learned this, and then I wondered, why is no one engaging with my posts? The truth is, people don't care about you until you make it about them. They want to see themselves in your story. They want to learn something that helps them, not you just bragging. The moment I stopped posting for validation and started posting for value, everything changed. My reach grew, my DM started getting active, and people began to say things like, "This post felt like you were talking to me." That's when I realized on LinkedIn, your content should serve before it sells. 2. Your profile is your storefront. For months, I posted consistently, but no results. Then one day, I checked my analytics and I realized something. I was getting profile views, but no one was reaching out to me. The reason because my profile didn't sell me. So some of you, your profile is just empty. It's not selling. It's not like you are selling anything. It's just there. It was like a storefront with no clear sign of product. Your LinkedIn profile is your landing page. Here's what I wish I knew. Your banner should say what you do and who you help. Headline should focus on the value you bring, not your job title. People can say I'm a graphic designer or I'm a lawyer, I'm a writer. No, it should show the value you bring to your clients. Your part session should read like a story, not a CV. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be clear, because clarity converts faster than creativity. See, consistency beats talent every time. So when I started, I thought you had to be a great writer. I knew nothing about writing, or a marketing genius to grow. But after a few months of posting, I realized something powerful. Consistency beats talent every single time. There are creators who write better than you, designers who create better visuals, but they don't post, and that's your advantage. The algorithm rewards the people who show up. So when you post consistently, people start remembering you, they start trusting you, and that turns into opportunities. So if you are watching this, remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to be present. 4. Engagement is a two-way street. So when I started, I thought posting is enough. I made that mistake, but it's not. I would post, then leave the platform. I would not comment, no replies, no engagement. But LinkedIn is a network. You come there to network with people. That's why it's a networking platform. It's not a billboard. It's not like, oh, come and see me, I'm good. You get. So when you comment on people's posts, genuinely, you increase your visibility. That's the trick of a platform. So you give and take. It's like a give and take relationship. That's how people find you. That's how collaboration happens. I wish I knew that engaging 15 minutes a day could get you more traction than posting once a week. Funny. So sometimes it's not even about posting, it's just about being there for people, showing up. I want to paint something to you. When you post once a week or you post every day, you show up just once in people's feed. But when you continually post or when you continually comment on different posts, you show up in different places. So if I'm commenting on someone that has 10,000 followers, I expose myself to that group of people. So when I do that for multiple people, it's like I'm duplicating myself. You get it, you get the magic. So that's how you grow more. So it's not like you're posting, you're leaving, you're posting, you are not commenting, you're not engaging. So the more you comment on other posts, you expose yourself to that platform or to that community. So it's not just about what you post, it's about the conversation you join. 5. Not every follower is a lead. I remember a story whereby I just wanted advice from this lady, and I went to her DM and just asked her a question, and she was like, "You need to buy my course, you need to do this." I was like, I just asked you a simple question. Here's what I learned. 10 engaged followers are worth more than 10,000 silent ones. The goal isn't to build a crowd, it's to build a community. When people trust you, they refer you. When they relate to you, they remember you. And that's what leads to sale. So don't obsess over numbers, focus on relationship. 6. Your story is your superpower. I used to hide my story, I thought no one cared. But every time I shared something personal, something real, engagement went up. I always notice this. Whenever you post, try as much as possible to check, okay, I post about this particular topic. Maybe the next month, try to see which one people resonate with. Because people connect with people, not perfection. Tell your stories, the wins, the losses, the lesson. You never know who's watching, who might need to hear your story to keep going. 7. The algorithm is not your enemy. I know. Sometimes it looks like that. Everyone complains about the algorithm. But here's the truth. The algorithm rewards behavior. When you post consistently, engage genuinely, and get people to spend time on your post, you win. It's not about gaining the system. It's about understanding the system. The more conversation your post creates, the more reach you get. So instead of saying LinkedIn doesn't work, ask yourself, am I posting what my audience actually cares about? 8. Monetization comes last. Yes, it comes last. Everyone wants to make money on LinkedIn, including me. We want it fast. But if that's your only focus, you will burn out. The best way to earn on LinkedIn is to earn trust first. I didn't make my first $1,000 until many months or many posts later. Not because it went viral, but because it builds connection. People buy from people they believe in. Build your personal brand first, monetization will follow. 9. Your network shapes your net worth. One thing I wish I knew earlier is surrounding myself with the right people. The right connection can accelerate your growth 10 times faster than content alone. Comment on posts by creators in your niche. Message people you admire. Offer help before asking for it. The people you engage with today could be your next business partner, mentor, or clients tomorrow. So here are my final thoughts. If you're just starting your LinkedIn journey, don't aim to be perfect. Just start. Because every creator you admire was once invincible. Every expert you look up to was once a beginner. What matters is that you show up. Post that first piece of content. Comment on that post. Share that story. And remember, LinkedIn rewards the ones who keep going. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop the comments.